Host, welcome back to our kitchen, where today we're going to show you how to bake a delightful lemon cheesecake. Get ready for a sweet and tangy treat that will leave your taste buds wanting more. Let's get started. Host, to begin, we'll need some graham crackers for the crust. Crush them up until they resemble fine crumbs. Host, next, we'll combine the crumbs with melted butter and press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan, creating a perfect crust. Host, now, we move on to the creamy and tangy filling. In a mixing bowl, we'll beat cream cheese until it's smooth and fluffy. Host, to bring out that zesty lemon flavor, we'll add freshly squeezed lemon juice and some grated lemon zest. Host, time to sweeten things up. We'll pour in some granulated sugar and add a touch of vanilla extract for extra depth of flavor. Host, it's all coming together now. We'll beat in some eggs, one at a time, until they're fully incorporated, creating a velvety, smooth mixture. Host, pour the filling over the crust in the pan, spreading it out evenly. Host, now it's time to bake our masterpiece in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes, or until the center is set and the edges are golden. Host, once it's done baking, remove the cheesecake from the oven and let it cool completely. Host, when it's cooled down, we'll refrigerate it for a few hours, allowing the flavors to meld together and the cheesecake to firm up. Host, and there you have it. A magnificent baked lemon cheesecake that's both sweet and tangy, just the way a dessert should be. Host, thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious treats. Until next time, happy baking!